I'm going to try with another one. Let's say I want to start my number from E1. I'm going to use C1. With this video, you're going to thank me later for giving you a very easy path to using your Excel numbering system. So you want to use your Excel, and then you don't want to have to type each and every of your single numbering system one after the other. For instance, you want to type 1 to 50 and then you do 1, enter 2, enter 3. Isn't that very tedious? So I'm going to teach you a very simple way, to use your numbering system without having to do so much stress. This is the easy formula. Equals to row, enter your tab, and then you start with which is your first starting point. So I'm going to start my number from row A1. So I'm going to do A1. Cover the bracket and then press enter. You see that I started the numbering system for you with 1. So all I have to do is to use this fill button here. Place your mouse on this fill button and drag it along. And then you see that it numbers your computer or your Excel system for you automatically. Here it is. I'm going to try with another one. Let's say I want to start my number from E1. I'm going to use same command prompts equals to row, tab button, E1, and then cover my command and then press the enter. Go back to the fill button from the starting number and then drag along again, and then grab the automatic number. So this is a very easy shortcut for you. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell, like, share, and then let's keep having more of it. See you